So I'm here picking up my online order. I just love Torrid and the shirt that I picked out online and picked up in the store. You're going to see later on in a clip that I wore on a TikTok for Valentine's Day. We are here at IHOP.
Wearing hair caps.
That's a food I'm not going to see now, but I didn't see it. Thank you for the gift. This is not my pretty man.
Amen.
Happy Valentine's Day. Good morning. International Delight got my Valentine's Day started right. A nice warm cup of coffee. Making a Dunkin' s'mores. Cold foam creamer. Cold foam creamer. Nice. Coffee on the go. Bought myself some flowers. About to put them in water. Gotta cut the flower food. And this is how my flowers turned out. And then I got my daughter some flowers as well. I trimmed them. Very beautiful. I love the color. I love the color. It's a cute display for Valentine's Day. Very cute. I think I'm gonna get one of these because it's a new scent. Me in Miami smells, yes. I got what I came for. So, a little unboxing. These are a couple things that I got as Valentine's Day gifts. Jelly Bellies, M&Ms. And I can't wait to read Tabitha Brown's I Did a New Thing. That was definitely on the top of my reading list for my own little book club. Overall, I had a great Valentine's Day. I spent the night TikToking and dancing, having a good time moving my body, getting exercise. Now I'm about to take a shower, do some skincare. I treated myself to some new pajamas and comes with a shirt, pants, and scrunchie. I'm excited to get in the bed. I have work in the morning. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day because I did. Love you. Bye. So far, I've done like 12 days of exercise so far this month, and I have lost weight. So, with eating right is chicken wraps. So we have avocado, tomato, lettuce, and chicken, and a whole wheat wrap, and some cilantro avocado. So let's make these wraps. First, we're gonna put a little bit of this on here. Gonna spread it around. Start with the lettuce. We're gonna start down here. Next, we got the tomato. Then, avocado. My hands are clean, so we're gonna add the avocado. It's looking so good. Next, the chicken. We're gonna put that there. Layer it one more row. A little bit more chicken. All right, now let's wrap it. Okay. Let's whip up some tuna real quick. I got the white albacore tuna, flake in water. I don't normally use this kind, but we're gonna work with it. Mayonnaise, mustard, sour cream, So I'm gonna put tuna over a bed of veggies. We got avocado, tomato, cucumber, and shredded carrot. But back to the tuna. Sweet relish. Brown sugar. Brown sugar, babe. Celery. Green onion. Lemon juice. Tabitha Brown Sunshine. Gotta have a little black pepper. I put a little bit of my favorite blends. You know, you guys can season it to your liking. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Last but not least, a little bit of seasoning salt. I am prepping my salad. So I'm making my salad. Then I'm gonna place some tuna on top. My hands were clean. So now we got carrots, cucumber, tomato, and then we got the avocado. Then I'm gonna lay the tuna. So I have plant-based chicken strips that I'm cooking. I'm about to meal prep some salads. Okay, so I have the Popeye spinach. I'm meal prepping 3 salads. 1, 2, 3. And then I got 2 plant-based chicken breasts for each salad. I'm gonna put these carrots in and the feta cheese. Alright, so they all have their feta cheese. Now we're gonna add our strawberries. Alright, we have the strawberries. Next will be the raspberries. Some yogurt and granola parfaits. My daughter just likes the vanilla yogurt and the granola. I like to add fruit to mine. Granola. I'm adding raspberries. I'm also going to eat me this homemade salad that I'm in the middle of. I'm about to add some raspberries to this salad and some carrots. For the carrots. I love carrots. Croutons. Just a few croutons. I also like a few wonton strips. They're delicious. Just a few wonton strips. Don't judge me, that's how I'm making my salad right now. And those are my salads. Me, veggie burger with some avocado, garlic fries, and a strawberry lemonade. About to dig in. We're celebrating my friend's birthday. He's 35. He's got him a Red Robin Southern Charred burger. This was my first time trying a cauliflower wrap. It was worth it. Spinach, pesto, and basil. It makes for a great combination for a healthy snack. There's the turkey, the pesto, basil, feta, and now adding some spinach. And it was so tasty and a perfect little snack for on the go. I enjoyed it very much. So good. Become obsessed lately with pesto sauce. Food diary. And I'm gonna be munching on this. This was what I bought after work for lunch. The salad is my favorite food. I love tomatoes, avocado. Now, excuse me while I get back to my strawberries and whipped cream in my comfy yitty onesie watching Netflix. Ciao.